The WIM file type is a Windows image. It holds all the files needed to install Windows, but you can actually open it like a zip file to grab specific drivers or tools from inside. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's look inside using 7-zip. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise. A dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like WIM. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. The WIM is officially classified under the Comprehensive Disk Image File Architecture. The data composition mandates the use of Windows Imaging File. The WIM Windows Imaging format file is a proprietary disk image file used by Microsoft for operating system deployment and backup. It functions as a compressed archive that holds multiple disk images, designed for efficient file-based installation. Developed by Microsoft, the format is closed source and designed for flexibility. Unlike sector-based imaging, WIM is file-based, allowing single files to be extracted and managed without extracting the entire image. It is readable by archive utilities like 7-zip, but manipulation requires Microsoft's DISM tool. Your first application to test with WIM should be 7-zip from Igor Pavlov. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows can't read partitions inside the image, so specialized tools must interpret its contents. To resolve the incompatible file format error, right-click the WIM file and choose Open With. Prioritize 7-zip if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file claim. If your WIM file is not opening yet, that is normal. If you've reached this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, use DISM to apply. Use the Deployment Image Servicing and Management DISM command line tool with the mount image or apply image arguments to access the image content. Next, check integrity. Use the DISM command cleanup image followed by restore health to check the image for corruption and attempt to fix it. Finally, use Windows Setup. If the image is an OS installer, boot from the Windows installation media and use the recovery environment to apply the image file. If your software can't even begin to parse the WIM file, deep-level analysis software is the only viable option worth trying. Move straight to the one-click WIM fix, File Magic. It's the most efficient universal file opening tool. Get it now at filemagic.com. I'll see you in the next technical deep dive. Your subscription helps fund the research needed for these detailed guides. Thank you for subscribing.